welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. Um, I know that every one of us has those problems with the Amine Blush, which you can see right here on the surface of this box. And this is mostly from too much humidity in the room. And when the resin cures, then it leaves marks like this. And I want to show you today how to fix this. So stay tuned, it's going to be an easy fix this time. The hardest thing to do in this fixing video is to put the painter's tape down. The more effort you put into this step of this process, the better the result will be. Make sure that you really press hard on the painter's tape where it touches the resin or the resin touches the painter's tape. If you don't do that thoroughly, the resin can seep underneath, and and when this hardens, the fix of this problem will be much greater than the one that I'm showing you here, and nobody wants that. So take care of that step really, really good, and you save yourself some time. I'm taking my cutter knife here on the back side and making sure that the painter's tape really is stuck to the surface of this box so nothing will seep through. You can take anything else to just to rub it down really thoroughly. And if you heat the painter's tape up with the hair dryer, you activate the glue, and this will help. I'm slightly sanding my surface here with a nail file, not too much, just a little bit to make the surface much bigger through the scratches that you create, so the resin will stick to it better. I raised up the boxes in this part, and I made sure that they are really truly level, and because I don't want the resin to run down on me. So what I'm doing now, I'm spreading the resin all over the surface, and making sure everything is covered. The last thing that I did, I used some isopropyl alcohol and spritzed it all over the surface to get rid of the bubbles that might have occurred on the top, and then you just have to let it cure. The hardest part of this fix is getting rid of the painter's tape on the box without doing any damage to it. What you got to be careful is when you loosen up the tape where the resin touched it. Just don't lift up too hard, just take it easy. You don't want to lift the new layer of resin from the old one. So, and if you like that video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, a share of my video, maybe subscribe if you haven't already. I would be really, really thankful for that. I'll leave you at the end of this video some impressions and a little short video on how those boxes look now, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.